This guide will walk you through the process to how to add and remove NFC tags to a user using Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. Search for a user by typing their name or using the enrollment reader to scan their tag as shown on the visual. For app users, scan the QR code displayed on the reader screen. Once the user has been identified, the user page will open and display their activity. To manage the NFC tags, go to the User Details section and click the Tags icon as highlighted in blue. The NFC tag management window will open. The tag ID will be displayed, and to remove the tag, click the trash icon. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to confirm to unassign this tag from the user. Returning back to the user page and click the Tags icon as highlighted in blue to manage tags. To attach an NFC tag, use the enrollment reader to scan and complete the process. Thanks for watching.